Long lineups at the province's very first pop-up mobile testing center in North Scarborough, one of the hardest hit areas in Toronto. People in line tell us they have been waiting weeks to get tested, and they are relieved the government has opened up testing to everyone, even those who are asymptomatic. And experts say testing centers like this will help locate community spread. A big crowd at the mobile COVID-19 unit in Scarborough demonstrating the dire need for testing in the area. Almost 100 people were in line a half hour before the center even opened this morning.
It's a great idea. I've been waiting for this to happen.
We're both past 75, and it's important to find out for sure if we have it or not.
Hundreds of people of all ages eager to finally find out whether or not they have COVID-19, many of whom aren't even showing any symptoms.
We just thought we should both probably get ourselves tested, just in case. You never know.
I'm not personally concerned about my own health, but I work at a hardware store, so we see a lot of people in person, so I just felt the responsibility sort of to get tested for myself.
Better safe than sorry.
The CEO of the Scarborough Health Network says setting up the unit takes just 40 minutes, and all it involves is a few tent awnings and tables.
It takes an incredible team of frontline staff.
There are 8 testing stations inside. The test itself takes only about 5 to 10 seconds.
I heard they're gentle.
I sort of prepared myself, and it wasn't too bad. It was a little burning, but she was very gentle pulling it out. I had a cough, and I know, I just wanted to be careful, make sure.
Last week, the province releasing its comprehensive testing strategy with 3 pillars. Everyone who wants a test can get a test. There will be targeted campaigns aimed at testing employees in key sectors, and the establishment of these testing units in hard-hit communities. Along with North Etobicoke and North York, North Scarborough is among 3 areas in Toronto with the highest number of cases, according to data released by Public Health last week.
I think there's a lot of feeling of social responsibility when people have heard that we have a higher prevalence in Scarborough. People in Scarborough really care about their community.
For weeks, infectious disease experts have been calling for these units to be deployed across Ontario.
By really getting these mobile units out there, you might have a better understanding of who is infected in the neighborhoods that are more heavily impacted.
Today marks the second day in a row the province has fallen below its testing target of 16,000 a day and its capacity to do 20,000 a day. In fact, they've only used that full capacity just once. The Premier says he is doing everything in his power to get those numbers up. For City News, I'm Tina Yazdani.